Okay, 24 says the angle measures of the triangle are shown in the diagram. So you got these three angles, and it says what's the value of x. So the first thing you have to remember is that all angles on a triangle equal 180 degrees. So when I add them all three up, we're going to get 180. And that's the purpose of the numbers being in those spots. So I'm going to do 50 plus, and I'll do this guy next, 3x minus 10 plus 2x. And all of those three equal 180 degrees. Okay, this is option number one where you're solving. The other option is that you can always take each answer choice and plug it in. Okay, so that would be 50 degrees for this angle because you're doing 2 times 25. This one we would be doing 3 times 25 minus 10 and then adding to see if it's 180. Okay, so it's like a plug in each answer choice. I think I'm going to do it another way, which is combining things that are the same. These 3 x's and these 2 x's make a total of 5 x's. Because here's the thing, I do have parentheses, but inside those parentheses I have 3x minus 10, and I can't actually subtract numbers that are not like each other. Plain number and plain number I can subtract, and x's and x's I can subtract, but I've got one of each. So I'm going to go ahead and pretend like these parentheses don't even exist, and I'm combining some things. So I've got a positive 50, and I have a minus 10. That's 50 minus 10, that's 40. And again, I bring down my equal sign and my 180. So now it's just a basic algebra problem. The goal is to isolate my variable. I'm subtracting 40 from both sides. A positive 40 and a negative 40 cancel out. Bring down your 5x. And 180 minus 40 is 140. Last step is to divide by 5. Remember, you're always dividing by whatever the x is attached to. And then I can pull over. 5 goes into 1 0 times. 5 into 14 is twice. So automatically I know this is not the right answer. That's 10. That's 4. And 5 into 40 is 8 times. So that means 28 has to be the number that I can plug in for each of these x values.